Hi everyone and welcome back. Okay, so you probably clicked on this video because of the title. So if you're expecting the biggest secret ever to be revealed, or a huge massive game changer or something like that, click off this video now and I'll tell you why. How many times in the last 6 months have you clicked on videos with similar titles to this and been totally disappointed that the biggest secret that a lot of these people have to reveal is something they've probably copied from another channel and they're just regurgitating it, putting their own spin on it, just trying to reel you in and get clicks, get views. You know, I'm still yet to see a game changer, or to see, the biggest secret ever revealed in art, or whatever outlandish title that people are putting on their videos these days. So if you feel like you've just been clickbaited through clicking on the title of this video, well, congratulations, you have been. And isn't it frustrating? You click on those videos expecting to see some big secret or some game changer and a promise that your life is going to be all rainbows and unicorns if you subscribe to them. Well, I can't promise you any of that at all. But what I can promise you is regular content here on YouTube from somebody that's been drawing for nearly 40 years. I like to keep things real and genuine and be authentic and stay out of all this clickbait nonsense and all this plagiarism and competitiveness that seems to be plaguing YouTube right now. Anyway, that's my little rant over for today. And you're probably all wondering what I'm doodling away at there. Well, this is my latest little project that I've just finished on Patreon. It's taken from a photo by a photographer called Leonard Mizon, one of my favourite photographers actually. I've done quite a few drawings by him, and this one was really enjoyable to do, and like I say, it's a full real-time tutorial over on my Patreon channel. So there we go, that's the shameless Patreon plug out of the way. So I hope you like the drawing, and thanks for listening everybody. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.